Okay, the next step in event creation or copying an event would be the event settings. Okay. First question, can registrants bring other people? Yes, they can. This is a 4-person scramble. Again, for our purposes here, we're dealing with the Par-Tray Open, and it's a 4-person scramble. Obviously, if it was like the Texas 6-person shootout, it's a 6-person scramble. They could have 5 other people. If it was a 2-person scramble, they could bring 1 other. So yes, you can bring up to 3 people. Do you want to collect information on them? By now you know the answer is yes. We'll collect their first and last name. They'll fill that out. What should these people be called on your event? You know, a list of things. They're not teammates. Well, they could be teammates, but we're going to call them players. I think that's the best fit. Fees and items. My currency, we're dealing with US dollars here. Is there a fee to attend your event? Yes. 1 flat fee for all attendees. This is the Par-Tray Open, so it's only $50. We actually have multiple fees. Like we have fees for members and that type of thing. But I just know that if I put a lesser amount here, everyone will just pay the lesser amount, even if they're not a member. So we're not even going to open that can of worms. We're just going to say 1 flat fee. Are you offering additional items? No. Discount codes? No. How do you want people to collect the fees? PayPal. Our PayPal account is golfarrowhead@gmail. Obviously, we'll take a check at the door, cash at the door, credit card. But they're just asking about online here. And we're just going to deal with PayPal online. So if someone signs up, it forces them to pay for 1 person. And if you get someone to pay for 1 person as a deposit, you're almost guaranteed that they will find some people to show up. If they just give you word of mouth, yeah, I'm going to sign a team up. First sign of adversity, someone says, oh, my dog has fleas, I got to take him to the vet. You know, they're going to say, my 4th left, we're not showing up. So it greatly enhances the chances of them coming if you get 1 payment at least. Can people make a donation if they wanted to? Sure, but I don't really have a good reason why they should be donating. So that's how that works. That's the event settings.